Good morning, everyone. My name is Supahrat. I'm the AI Skill Director for Microsoft Thailand. Very pleased to meet you, and thank you so much for TCU and Thai MOOC professor and the team inviting me to be here and with you all today. Actually, as mentioning, for this session, there are two presenters, myself as well as Ajahn May. So my session will be early and later will be Ajahn May. So for me, I would like to provide you information regarding AI, which related to the employment, as we have the survey via LinkedIn, as well as the Microsoft content in Thai, which we are also providing those courses onto Thai MOOC already as well, aiming for university students to be able to take that course as a microcredit. So later on, Ajahn May will continue further path regarding the microcredit itself. For setting up this thing, I would like to presenting my session. So about the work trend index, I'm not sure whether here you have seen this. Microsoft and LinkedIn has working together for the work change report this year 2025, saying that last year on 2024 was a year marked by persistent economic situation and which left a sluggish jobs market with low hiring and increased competition. AI add complexity to the mix, with professionals and organizations having to adapt the change of AI was steering at work. In spite of this shift, professionals are pushing through now nearly 3 out of 5 professionals globally looking for a new job in 2025. And as AI continue to come to work, professional and business must contend with this change and embrace it as they navigate what's next. Working is changing and AI is accelerating the shift. Professionals entering the workforce today are on pace to hold twice as many jobs over their career compared to 15 years ago. AI adoption is expanding boundary of roles, enabling productivity, task rotation, and innovation. This is driving demand for adaptive talent, especially professionals who combine technical expertise with strong human skill. According to the new LinkedIn research, HR professionals list finding candidates with the right technical skill 51% and soft skill 45% as some of the top challenges they face. And nearly 2/3 say there is a mismatch between the skill job seeker have and the skill the organization need. So this insight isn't surprising, given the skill need for job are expected to change 70% by 2030, accelerating by rapid development in AI. And when we look at the fastest growing job in this role, job in the rise list, AI-specific role take the top spot, highlighting the considerable shift happening in the world of work. For instance, artificial intelligence engineer is one of the fastest growing jobs in 15 countries and ranking number 1 in Netherlands, Singapore, UK, and the US. And AI creates opportunity and drive innovation. So with AI growing presence in work, we're starting to see it spread quickly regardless of geography, with the percentage of members who have added AI skill into their LinkedIn profile increasing 20 times globally since 2016 from the albeit small starting point. What's more, we see the impact of AI spreading beyond tech people, with the share of AI skill members rising across the range of industry. Even in education, the industry adopting AI is lowest. The share of AI skill members is up to 14 times over the last 8 years. And the financial service, the industrial where the rise has been fastest, has 40 times the share of AI skill members versus in 2016. So beyond boosting productivity, AI holds the potential to drive business growth and inspire innovation. So in fact, 88% of C-suite executives view accelerating AI adoption as a priority, and 80% believe it will foster more innovative workplace culture. And so AI is to stay with us. Organizations are at different stages in their adoption, and with some just beginning and others seeing early wins. Our new report revealed that investment in AI starting to pay, as 51% of business they have adopted generative AI report that the revenue increased 10% more. By embracing AI, companies are helping employees move away from repetitive tasks to spend more time doing what matters most, closing deals and building relationships and candidates and customers. So for me, I introduced this because as you could see the field, right, that industry at this moment, everyone is looking for talent who has AI. So for the study, AI could be inserted into the major stream of the education. However, AI also can be inserted into the micro credential as well. So that's why for Microsoft, we have the very big goal in helping Thai people, about 1 million, to adopting AI by providing a lot of courses. So for Microsoft, we have launched the program called Thai Academy, which we want to provide the skill by 2025, that we have quite numbers of skill ranging from AI very basic up until the AI where they can help people to get into the real job in the industry. For example, for become the AI engineer or the data scientist or prompt engineer, for example. I would like to featuring these partnerships for Microsoft, which we have with all Thai organizations, Ministry of Higher Education, as well as Thai MOOC, also Ministry of Education, and so on, also our partners, to help together synergizing our strategy to help everyone to become AI user or AI fluencing using that. For Microsoft, we have quite big goal, which we aim to help supporting 5 groups of people. First is the people, students, teachers, educators in education sector. The second is on those civil servants, people who can help build capacity or help more in efficiency to serving the citizens. The third is for helping the community in those grassroots across the country to adopting AI for themselves to be able to keep selling things or help improving their daily life. Or even the industry. We also help supporting industry, especially for those SME, SMB. So for them to be able to adopting AI to help them improve their competitiveness. And lastly, for whoever are not in the system, who maybe would like to upskill or reskilling themselves, to be able to capable to take on the AI competencies, so that can open door for them to get a job. For example, maybe they are the freelancer, they also can using AI, right, to improve their work that can serve the customer better, or even for the job seeker, because at this moment from the report which I just presented, as you know that the employer now are looking for talents who have AI skill. So from the research previously as well, from the LinkedIn report saying that employer at this moment would like to hire people who has AI skill but less experience, rather than hiring the more experienced people but less without AI skill. So this is something that is called out from the AI, from the LinkedIn reporting. So it means that at this moment, every industry, everyone also needs to adopting AI skill. So for us at Microsoft, we produce quite numbers of courses, not just only that we provide from the Microsoft Corporation, we provide into the very big bunch of numbers of content. But in Thailand ourselves, we also localizing quite numbers. We localizing a lot more, is about almost 200 courses into Thai, as well as we're also developing some courses in Thailand as well. For example, we have the course called AI Basic. The AI Basic starts for any people who has very minimum AI knowledge. It's talk to people about how machine learning is working, what is natural language processing, and if you want to prompt, how to feed, how to construct the prompt, as well as how to use it ethically as well. Or even if they want to use AI at their work, we also teaching them on how to start using Microsoft Copilot, which is we have ChatGPT as the back end, to start prompting for text generation or creating some projects or translating documents or any of producing the images, right, or producing the video. So with that basic generative AI also can help every AI user to become more productive. We also have more course from basic up until what I have said, let them become more in professional. So if someone would like to go into computer science field, they would like to become the AI engineer, they would like to become AI analyst, Microsoft also have a course that we localize in Thai as well in certain number of hours, not just only like very fundamental, but it would help them to be equipped. And we understand that Thai people, especially those Thai students, just don't want to read. So we hire influencers in technology to talk about the AI in their daily life, as well as to recommend them into the course which we have in our standard portal. That make them more understanding before they get into the course, the standard course which Microsoft has. And after they completing those courses, they will also receiving some credential badge, as well as some certification of completion as well. And at this moment, for Microsoft, as I said, we work a lot with multiple stakeholders, especially with the government and also the Ministry of Higher Education. So we partner with Thai MOOC, we partner with the government, creating the pool of micro credential that aligning to the government standard. And if people can go through and read self-learning by themselves and take the test as a knowledge check, and if it's passed, they will be able to receive the certification of completion with the Microsoft logo together with the logo of the ministry as well. So that at least can tell the employer that they at least have some certain level of AI. So that could open door for students or for job seekers or whoever who would like to go through the hiring part as well. There's a lot of, okay, maybe I go through a little bit through the site which locating Microsoft all these courses. And actually at this moment, all of these courses already, numbers of them already up onto Thai MOOC already as well. Yeah, here, oh, it is not popping up on this screen. Okay, I projecting, but it's not there. For example, for the basic AI, it's a short course video. Each video is by size. It could be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, around that. So in total, it's about 2.5 hours. So people can study by themselves very easily. The language is so easy. Or even for the AI skill for everyone, it means how to use Microsoft Copilot. And our video is about 12 videos, and each video contains about 10 minutes. So it's very easy to consume. It's very easy to works hand in hand together with those videos, so it can help people to really navigate as well as really be able to prompt or seeing their work via working reading together with those video. Actually, I have a video to show you. I'm not sure whether it will be projecting on the screen. I have a video about 3 minutes video to showing you. This video is example of one people who are not in the development system, but they take class, the Microsoft class, with quite numbers of credentials. And before that, they are finding job, which is very hard. But after they can take the courses of those Microsoft courses and also pass the test, they can be hired with quite numbers of good company. And now he become developer. And he said it is the lifelong learning. It is not essential that the learning it should just only learn in the system, but also can learn anywhere, anytime as which as well.
ผมชื่อวิวัฒน์สาธรสวัสดิ์ครับชื่อเล่นชื่อว่าเบนซ์ครับพอหลังจากเรียนจบผมก็ทำงานฟรีแลนซ์ก็ทีนี้ก็รายได้ก็ไม่แน่นอนตอนที่ทำงานแรกตอนนั้นนะผมก็อายุใกล้จะ40แล้วเราก็ได้เงินเดือนแบบได้มากกว่าเด็กจบใหม่นิดนึงคือเราก็ยอมรับได้เพราะว่าเราไม่เคยมีประสบการณ์ด้านโปรแกรมมิ่งมาก่อนทีนี้พอประสบการณ์เราถึงตอนนั้นก็ประมาณ2 ปีก็ถึงเวลาที่เราต้องแบบขยายฐานเงินเดือนครับตอนนั้นก็เลยไปลองหาดูว่าในตลาดอุตสาหกรรมซอฟต์แวร์มันต้องใช้อะไรบ้างอะไรที่เราขาดก็เลยไปหาข้อมูลก็ไปเจอ Microsoft Learn พอเราเรียนเนี่ยเห็นว่ามันมีเรื่อง Cloud เรื่อง DevOps เรื่อง AI ที่อุตสาหกรรมใหญ่เขาใช้แล้วก็สนใจเพราะว่ามันมีการสอบผมชื่อวิวัฒน์สาธรสวัสดิ์ครับชื่อเล่นชื่อว่าเบนซ์ครับพอหลังจากเรียนจบผมก็ทำงานฟรีแลนซ์ก็ทีนี้ก็รายได้ก็ไม่แน่นอนตอนที่ทำงานแรกตอนนั้นนะผมก็อายุใกล้จะ40แล้วเราก็ได้เงินเดือนแบบได้มากกว่าเด็กจบใหม่นิดนึงคือเราก็ยอมรับได้เพราะว่าเราไม่เคยมีประสบการณ์ด้านโปรแกรมมิ่งมาก่อนทีนี้พอประสบการณ์เราถึงตอนนั้นก็ประมาณ2 ปีก็ถึงเวลาที่เราต้องแบบขยายฐานเงินเดือนครับตอนนั้นก็เลยไปลองหาดูว่าในตลาดอุตสาหกรรมซอฟต์แวร์มันต้องใช้อะไรบ้างอะไรที่เราขาดก็เลยไปหาข้อมูลก็ไปเจอ Microsoft Learn พอเราเรียนเนี่ยเห็นว่ามันมีเรื่อง Cloud เรื่อง DevOps เรื่อง AI ที่อุตสาหกรรมใหญ่เขาใช้แล้วก็สนใจเพราะว่ามันมีการสอบ Certificate ด้วยมันจะทำให้เราแบบง่ายขึ้นในการสมัครงานใหม่แล้วทำให้เราดูแบบมีความน่าเชื่อถือมากขึ้น
วิสัยทัศน์ของโรงเรียนนะคะ เราต้องการพัฒนานวัตกรรมการเรียนการสอนของเราด้วย AI ค่ะเรามีความมั่นใจว่า AI จะช่วยทำให้เราเนี่ยสามารถพัฒนาผู้เรียนพัฒนาทั้งการเรียนการสอนของประเทศของเราหรือว่าแม้แต่ในเรื่องของคุณครูนะคะจะช่วยส่งเสริมให้ผู้เรียนของเราเนี่ยได้ก้าวสู่ AI Economy ได้ในอนาคตข้างหน้า
ค่ะจากเมื่อก่อนนะคะที่ใช้เวลาในการทำสื่อการเรียนการสอนเพื่อไปสอนเด็กแล้วก็ทำแบบฝึกหัดเนี่ยจะใช้เวลาประมาณ 2-3 ชั่วโมงเลยแต่พอมี AI เข้ามาแล้วเนี่ยตอนนี้ใช้เวลาประมาณ30นาทีก็จะได้เนื้อหาที่พร้อมที่จะไปสอนเด็กแล้วค่ะแต่ถ้าเป็นในเรื่องการเรียนการสอนเด็กเนี่ยก็จะใช้ในเรื่องของแท็กวิศวกรรมค่ะก็คือเด็กจะใช้ในการ generate code เบื้องต้นเพื่อใช้ในการทำโปรเจกต์ต่างๆของเด็กหรือใช้ AI ในการค้นหาแล้วก็ช่วยตอบคำถามต่างๆ
ตอนนี้ผมทำงานเป็นtechnical analysis แล้วก็เป็น software engineer ชีวิตตอนที่เป็นฟรีแลนซ์กับปัจจุบันนะครับรายได้ก็ดีแล้วก็มั่นคงมากขึ้น
ในฐานะที่เป็นสมาคมอุตสาหกรรมซอฟต์แวร์เราก็ให้การสนับสนุนกับหน่วยงานรัฐเอกชนสถาบันการศึกษาเพื่อให้การที่จะเอา AI มาต่อยอดเนาะเพื่อให้ประเทศไทยนะมีความสามารถในการแข่งขันได้ดีขึ้นนะครับ
สำหรับงานคอมมูนิตี้นะครับเป็นอาสาสมัครทำบาร์แคมป์ฟอร์ดเอเชีย Open Tech Summit ก็ไปเป็นวิทยากรช่วยแนะนำสายงานทางด้าน IT ครับแล้วก็น้องๆหลายคนที่เขาประสบความสำเร็จในการเปลี่ยนสายงานเขาก็ยังติดต่อช่วยเหลือกันก็รู้สึกภูมิใจครับที่ได้เปลี่ยนมาสายงานนี้เราก็ได้มีส่วนร่วมในการพัฒนาชีวิตผู้คนให้ดีขึ้นได้เจอพบปะเพื่อนใหม่ๆได้แลกเปลี่ยนความรู้ได้ประสบการณ์มากขึ้นแล้วก็ได้ใช้ชีวิตด้วยเหมือนเปิดโลกไปอยู่อีกโลกหนึ่งครับ Microsoft Learn เรียนที่ไหนก็ได้ครับเปลี่ยนชีวิตผมไปเลย
So this is the example of the
Most
audience
people
which we
over
have
40 use ChatGPT like it's Google.
and all the courses which I show you early is already on the Thai MOOC which is available for students to learn. And if someone would like to learn further into those more technical, they also can learn directly from Microsoft Learn as well. Thank you very much.
So thank you, Kun Myung, for providing us very useful information. Dr. Chanokporn, Puapattanakun, you can call me May. I'm from Mahidol University, Thailand, and I'm work in traditional side of e-learning and lifelong learning and also upskilling. So I work closely with Kun Supahrat from Microsoft and try to blend those micro credentials, micro learning or courses from Thai MOOCs into our traditional course, also called like general education in our university. So since it is called traditional, that means there are some structures that already designed before. For example, we need to meet the criteria of duration, we need to meet the criteria of course learning outcomes, and also maybe the assessment method that previously designed. So when I try to bring those courses and try to blend those courses into the traditional one, what I face is that I find many unfit puzzles pieces. For example, some learning outcome missing. For example, maybe some teaching method or assessment method doesn't meet our university criteria or our university's standard. So, for example, like I got a lot of courses from Microsoft, which is now on Thai MOOCs, like Kun Supahrat has mentioned before. And when I try to blend those courses into our 1 credit or 2 credit or 3 credits in Thai university, I got a learning outcome of the course, and then I have pre-designed course structure. For example, the credits, the hours, the course hours and delivery format, for example, like online, on-site, or hybrid, and also assessment criteria. So at Mahidol University, what we have done is that we decide to be more specific. We try to ask our lecturer to identify their expected learning achievement for each, which is actually this is quite normal, right? But for some of instructor, those paper is just paper, so they might not think about it like clearly. So I asked our lecturer, our instructor to rethink and redecide what are they expecting, like what is the expected learning achievement for each course learning outcome in their AI courses or AI related courses in general education. And then when I curate those credentials from Microsoft, maybe from Thai MOOCs, maybe from YouTube, or maybe from other platforms, I work closely with our instructors to find the gap. What is missing? Or maybe the missing pieces, maybe in the learning outcome level, or maybe it's just the missing level of achievement. So what do we need to fulfill? And of course, for some online courses, there still be some doubt for many people, like how can we be sure that our students really take those courses themselves, and how can we truly believe that they achieve those outcomes. So somehow not only fulfill those missing pieces of the puzzle, but we also need to ensure the achievement of the learning outcome. So at our university, after we identify the gap, we try to bridge the gaps by adding like other modules for those courses. For example, maybe I stack those credentials from Microsoft, like 10 credentials, and maybe 30 minutes missing, or maybe ethical issues missing, or maybe I need to do additional work to make sure that my students can really prompt properly, correctly. So in order to redesign or identify those gaps and bridge those gaps, we work as a team. My background is not in educational, not in technology, not in like any digital stuff. Actually, my background is in language. To be more precisely, in Thai language. So that's some kind of privilege for me to have AI coding, which helped me a lot when I try to work with my colleagues. For example, I try to stack those courses from Microsoft. Like I got 6 courses from Microsoft, but some assessment missing. So I add some workshop from my colleagues into those courses. I stack those 8 pieces from Microsoft e-learning, and there still be some pieces missing. So I add another module in order to fulfill our course goal or course learning outcome. The thing is, in order to make our instructor more engaged, I mean, it should not be our course from the center or from the university, but how the challenge is that I need our instructor to be our team and to be more engaged in order to like they have the sense of ownership and decide these courses themselves. So I sorry, it's in Thai, but I try to make the tools like easy one. So our lecturer, when they join our team in creating new courses or curate those credentials from our private sector's partner, that will be, it is more easier for them to like design and curate those courses by using this tool. They just need to set the requirements of that course, set the learning outcome, and of course the level of achievement of the learning outcome. So I provide descriptor for each level of the learning outcome achievement. And also they can set the requirement of how they teach, how they assess, how they want to deliver their course, and how they want to grade their student, like pass, fail, or ABC. And then, just like that, they will see what is missing, and they can add the new module with the same way of thinking. And when they add the new module, they can set the new module like with time, with learning outcome, with expected learning outcome, and the level of achievement. And then it's calculate. It's very easy to make this one nowadays, right? So this kind of tool help our teachers, our instructors, like stack or put together those courses, those credentials themselves, and they know how to add and how to get something off, get something in, and they rearrange over and over to make sure that they got the best combination that fit to their field or their programs or maybe their groups of students, which is we have like many segments of students, like we have adult learner, we have medical students, we have engineering students, which their background is different, and also their expectation and their needs of learning is also different too. So by using these kind of tools, at Mahidol, not only me, my team can work closer with our instructor to design new general education course, to get new materials and resources from our partners, especially outside university, which I'm quite sure that we know that most private sector, they work faster than us in university, of course. And also we can curate some material from our university partners where we can see it fits to the learning outcome and our expectation. So we can make it more flexible. So traditional, it don't have to be traditional and fixed and concrete anymore. So by working together, like with collaboration and curation and maybe flexibility, we can make our general education course more flexible, more blended, and more related to our students' expectation. And of course, it can be more personalized, more relate to their own field. So that's what I got from our experience working with our partner at Microsoft. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chanokporn and Kun Supahrat, for both of your presentation.